Building a plant is hard. Running it is harder. Once you flip the switch, you face two relentless enemies: degradation and risk. Let's talk about degradation. Electrolyzers are not like solar panels. They are active chemical engines that wear out. Over time, the voltage required to produce hydrogen creeps up, increasing your electricity bill. You must budget for a major stack refurbishment every 7 to 10 years to replace the internal membranes. Then there is safety. Hydrogen is 14 times lighter than air and has a massive flammability range. A small leak doesn't pool on the floor like gasoline. It rises instantly and gets trapped in the ceiling. This dictates your facility design. You need specialized ventilation at the highest points of the roof and UV flame detectors that can see invisible fire. In this business, safety isn't just compliance, it's your license to operate.